Good afternoon. I'm Riza Diaz. This is One News Now. The Department of Health claps back at Presidential Advisor for Entrepreneurship Joey Concepcion for encouraging businesses to use rapid antibody test kits for screening employees despite of the DOH's warning against it. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeres said the decision to not recommend the rapid test is based on science and consultations with medical experts. DOH, however, has yet to submit to the Interagency Task Force the revised omnibus guidelines for the use of antigen test kits for screening domestic travelers. Meanwhile, the agency has also yet to consider the theory that individuals who have contracted dengue are immune to COVID-19. According to Vergere, there is not enough evidence to support this as Brazil's study on the matter hasn't concluded. The Department of Health also remains firm on the requirement of the wearing of face masks and face shields in the workplace after some businesses appealed to be exempted. Speaking of the Department of Health, the agency reports that COVID-19 cases in the country have crossed the 300,000 mark today. This almost after 3,000 new cases were reported, bringing the total to 301,256 of these 63,000 are active cases. Meanwhile, the number of recoveries are now at nearly 233,000 after more than 700 patients were recovered or reported to have recovered. However, 88 more lost their battle to COVID-19, raising the death toll to 5,284. In other news, opposition Senator Laila de Lima files a bill that seeks to put an end to extrajudicial killings as these remain, quote, unbated amid the pandemic, end quote. The detained lawmaker said Senate Bill 1842 was adopted from the UP Law Center Institute of Human, which defines key terms that would prevent those behind the killings from circumventing the law. De Lima explains that aside from imposing punishment on the state and non-state actors guilty of extrajudicial killings, the measure would also establish a human rights violations victims fund. There, victims of EJK or their legal heirs will have the right to claim compensation. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency reported that police killed 50% more people between April to July 2020 than the previous 4-month period. Now, for more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World online. You may also visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. You can also catch One News on Signal Play app. Register now for a free account at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Riza Diaz. We are One News.